Hello everyone. Today we're going to be looking at Appium. Appium is a software test automation tool, and today we're going to use it to test our mobile application, specifically an application we built with React Native, and we're going to be testing the iOS and Android versions of the application. In addition to that, we're also going to be looking at Mocha. Mocha is a test framework that runs on Node.js in the browser and in the console. It's a way of describing our test and our expectations and asserting that the output of the application is what we expected. So for a quick demo, here's the application that we're going to be building. You can see that using Appium, we can automatically open up the application, make sure that it loads correctly, and also do things on the application, such as tap on UI and have that affect the state of the application. In conjunction with that, you'll see that if we don't enter a proper email, we'll get prompted. And if we don't enter the correct password, a valid password, then we'll get prompted for that as well. Lastly, we can make sure that in the case that the user enters a valid email and a valid password, that we successfully navigate the user to a different screen. So with the correct email and password, we get to our success screen. As developers, we can see that we get a clear output from our CLI, that our header displayed, our app loaded, we changed the application, and all the different testings that we did. But that's not the only thing that we can do. With Mocha, we can also generate out some HTML, which displays the output of our test results, our test run, so that we can share them with our project manager, our executives, or even potentially clients.